All right. Hello. Welcome to Authentic Education. So today I want to show you a quick activity that I love all my activities. I guess I shouldn't say I love, but that can teach kids numbers, right? Once they can recognize and tell you that's the number one, the next step is that you want them to know that one represents one of something and two represent two items of something, right? And then the step after that, you want them to be able to know that numbers can be represented not only by numbers but also in words and and in quantity, right? So I have made this board. Again, it comes from the Dollar Tree, $1, and I use a permanent marker, one of those permanent markers on there to just write what to write. I got these from Target, I think, and it came with something else which I just love, and then I just put a magnetic on it and then it sticks, right? Okay, so again, they have to know the number. They have to know that this is the number 5, okay? And so what they do is they match. And they don't have to go in a particular order. They could just pick up a number. Or let's say this is 5. They can count each one of these until they get to the number 5. So you can go, is this a number 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. What number are we looking for? 5. So is that a match? No, that's not a match. So then they would count 1, 2, 3. 3. Are we looking for the number 3? No. What number are we looking for? 5. So then it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that the number 5? Yes, it's the number 5. So they simply can match it that way. Or you can set them out this way, right? And have them all out. And again, if it's too many numbers, you don't have to put all the numbers out. You can give them 4 at a time, 2 at a time, however you think they can master it. Okay, so I need this number. Okay, so then let's say, no, I need 8. Make sure you put out the right numbers. Okay, so they would count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Which number is the number 8? And they will go, oh, here's the number 8. And so they will stick it. Then they count the next one. 1, 2, 3. What number do we need here? 3. And then they will stick the number 3, and then they just go on, keep going. Okay. And I love this because it's self-correcting. So what I did on the back of it, I put matching dots, right? And so they can see, oh, those match up. So that is correct. The same on number 3, they match up. So it's correct. So I like to do stuff that's self-correcting for them, so they can have that independence, right? You can put them with a partner to help them, that maybe someone who's mastered this skill, that they can help them get through the activity. So once they have gotten through this activity and mastered this, then they can go to this other side. We'll just have the words, okay? So in this one, you're teaching them of something, the quantity of something, the quantity of something. And on this side, you teaching them that the numbers can be written in word form. They also can be represented in word form, okay? So, and you're teaching them how to read, because this is all words that we see all the time. So they will match 3. And what I did was, for the lower, because I teach I teach younger kids, and so I still kept them in order. So again, they can still correct themselves, because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Well, 0's out, but I should have probably put 0 over there, but that's okay. 0. So they can still self-correct themselves. So if they put 3 here, it helps them. They can just count. If they don't recognize 3, they can still do it. They just count. 1, 2, 3. 3. Okay. 1, 2. If they don't recognize the words, then you get them to count. And the more that they do this, the more they'll realize, oh, because the brain is just going to remember it, this is the word 1. Okay. So I hope that helped. Real easy inexpensive. It's easy to store. Happy Numbers Day. Bye.